It all started in a garage, February 2005. In a small, dimly lit space, three friends gathered around a computer, brainstorming an idea that would change the world. They were driven by a simple yet powerful vision. Three friends had an idea. They wanted to create a platform where anyone could share videos with the world. It was a bold concept, but they believed in its potential. They spent countless hours discussing, planning, and dreaming. They wanted to share videos. They envisioned a place where people could upload their moments, big or small, and connect with others. They started filming each other, experimenting with different ideas, and learning as they went. This was the birth of YouTube, a platform that would revolutionize how we consume and share content. It was a humble beginning, but the potential was limitless. No one knew how big it would become. From a simple idea in a garage to a global phenomenon, YouTube's growth was unprecedented. People from all walks of life started uploading videos, sharing their stories, and connecting with others. The first video was simple: me at the zoo. It was a short clip, just 18 seconds long, featuring one of the founders talking about elephants. It was unpolished, but it marked the beginning of something extraordinary. A man at the zoo, short and sweet. YouTube grew quickly. People loved sharing videos. They watched funny cats. They learned new things. A community was forming. From educational content to entertainment, YouTube became a hub for creativity and connection. It transformed how we interact with media, making the world a smaller, more connected place.
YouTube's reach is massive. It's available in over 100 countries. People speak different languages. They watch YouTube. Over 2.5 billion people use YouTube. That's 1/3 of the internet. The numbers are staggering. YouTube isn't just for entertainment. People learn new skills. They discover music. They connect with others. It's a global platform.
In 2020, YouTube launched Shorts, short-form videos, designed for mobile viewing. People love them. Shorts are quick and engaging. They are easy to watch on the go. Creators love them too. It's a new way to reach viewers. Shorts have exploded in popularity. They're a huge part of YouTube's future. Bite-sized entertainment is here to stay. Section 4. The evolution continues. A glimpse into YouTube's latest innovations. YouTube doesn't stand still. It's always evolving. New features are added. The platform adapts to the changing needs of its users and the digital landscape. From user interface tweaks to major algorithm updates, YouTube is constantly in motion, striving to enhance user experience and engagement. One recent change is the video player. The new design is sleek and modern, featuring pill-shaped media control capsules that are more intuitive and user-friendly. This update aims to make video watching more enjoyable and accessible for everyone. It has a new look. The controls are different. Some users like it, others don't. The feedback has been mixed, but YouTube is listening and making adjustments based on user input. This iterative process ensures that the platform continues to improve. YouTube is also using AI. Artificial intelligence is playing a significant role in shaping the future of the platform. It's not just about automation, it's about creating smarter, more personalized experiences for users. It's making the platform smarter. AI is being used to analyze viewing habits, predict user preferences, and deliver content that is more relevant and engaging. This technology is at the heart of many of YouTube's latest innovations. For example, AI powers recommendations. These recommendations are becoming increasingly accurate, helping users discover new content that they are likely to enjoy. This not only enhances the user experience, but also helps creators reach a wider audience.
Section 5. Shaping the Future. YouTube's enduring legacy and uncharted horizons. YouTube has changed the world. It's made entertainment global. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene landscapes of rural Japan, YouTube has bridged cultures and brought people together. It's not just a platform. It's a global phenomenon that has redefined how we consume content. It's given everyone a voice. No matter who you are or where you're from, YouTube has empowered individuals to share their stories, ideas, and talents with the world. It's a place where creativity knows no bounds and where every voice can be heard. It's a platform for learning. From DIY tutorials to academic lectures, YouTube has become an invaluable resource for education. It has democratized knowledge, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Students, professionals, and hobbyists alike turn to YouTube to learn new skills and expand their horizons. The future of YouTube is bright. New technologies are emerging. Virtual reality, augmented reality, YouTube is ready. These innovations promise to make the platform even more immersive and interactive. Imagine watching a concert in VR or exploring a historical site through AR. The possibilities are endless. YouTube will continue to evolve. As technology advances, so will YouTube. It will adapt and grow, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The platform's ability to innovate ensures that it will remain at the forefront of digital entertainment and information. It will continue to entertain. From viral videos to live streams, YouTube offers endless entertainment options. It's a place where you can find content that makes you laugh, cry, and think. The diversity of content ensures that there's something for everyone. It will continue to shape the world. YouTube's influence is undeniable. It has the power to inspire change, spark movements, and bring global issues to the forefront. As it continues to grow, its impact on society will only deepen, shaping the world in ways we can only begin to imagine.